All right, now we come to a really great question. I'm going to be taking our time when working through it. So D, it says, suppose the car depreciates at a different rate. If the value of the car after 12 months is this here, what is the annual interest rate, R percentage per annum? Give your answer, correct to 3 significant figures. So as you can see here, what we're doing is we're trying to figure out a different rate. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to take the rule that we started with. So remember this rule? I'm just going to plop it down here. So this is the rule to help me figure out the general rule. So remember, it's just this up here. And the reason why I'm going to use this rule is because we're given a whole bunch of information that we can sub in. For instance, we know what the value of this is going to be after 12 months. So we're going to put in 46973.10. Let's zoom in here a bit. Then I'm going to say, all right, this is going to be equal to, and I might do this now in blue, 1 minus. Now, this is the all-important part. This R here is what we're after. It's what we're trying to solve for. The annual interest rate is the R. That's what we're after. Remember, we're compounding monthly. Remember at the very beginning, we said, this is how much it's depreciating yearly, but we need to figure out how much it's depreciating per month. So that's why we're going to now divide this by 12 and then divide all of it by 100. Remember, the reason why we're dividing it by 100 is because we want to turn our percentage into a decimal. The next thing that we're told here is that, this is the value of the car after 12 months. So into this spot, I can put 12 because that's telling us it's over 12 months. And then the last thing is C of 0. We know that's going to be 52,000. I could now chuck that into my CAS and just hit solve. Menu 3.1, 46973.10 is equal to open brackets 1 minus control divide, whoopsie daisy, 1 minus, I'm actually going to open it up again. I'm going to go R, I'm going to use the R, divided by 12, close brackets, and I'm going to divide that by 100, close brackets, and I'm going to times this whole thing by 52,000. Right, a lot of brackets there, but that looks right. Then I want to go comma R. And, now, does that look like a reasonable answer? 116. That's what the annual percentage rate is? No, something's gone wrong here. So let's look through of what we've put in wrong. So I put in 46973 brackets 1 minus R on 12 over 100. Oops, what did I forgot my raising to the power of 12, people. Got to raise to the power of 12. So always look and see if your answer makes sense. If it doesn't, probably done something wrong. Now, this looks better. Now, you've got two options here. Either R is equal to 10 or R is equal to 2,389. Again, what seems more reasonable? What seems more reasonable is that my interest rate would be 10%. So that means each year I'm losing 10.123 ... percentage. And then I can round that. So therefore, the annual interest rate per annum is going to be 10.1%, the 3 significant figures. That's what it's going to be. Each year, that's how much I'm losing in its value. All right. That's the quick way to answer this using the rule. I now just want to take a quick breather, and then I'm going to show you another way to go through this, which really gets you to understand what it is that we're doing here. But of course, this works, and it's important that you can do it this way because this is probably the quickest way to do it.